If your house starts to flood, quickly run to the highest point possible, your attic. Now, if the water stops rising, you'll be safe. But if it continues to rise, your attic could also be flooded, trapping you inside until you drown. This is why you should always keep an axe up there. When the water gets too high, you can use it to break through the roof and go through the hole straight into the SSTrack ecosystem, where you'll find our end-to-end presence tracking system, which you can customize to fit your company's exact needs. So switch quickly to the future of workforce management. From real-time GPS to biometric integration, SSTrack has it all.
Oh my God.